Hey guys, I'm not her sister, and today I'm going to show you how to make Po into a bag. And basically I found this vintage Po, which is as old as me, 96. Not 96 years old, but born in 96. I don't know why I just said 96 just like that. But anyway, she's really cute, like vintage and that, and pretty good condition. She was only £3, but yeah, I think she's probably haunted. I mean, possessed. I mean, why would you give away your beloved childhood Po? Please tell me. I don't quite understand. I mean, just look at this face.
I've seen things. I could watch you while you sleep.
So everything that I'm gonna use in this video is gonna be linked in the description below. But okay, let's just get into it, I guess. The first thing you want to do is you want to cut along the middle, but like mine has a seam in the middle, so I can just seam rip it. So I'm just going to seam rip the middle and then I'll come back. So now I've cut open Po's back and we're just going to rip her guts out. I just want to take the guts out of like this main section of the body, but you want to make sure that you leave a little bit in there. Like, you don't want her to be like fully empty. See, it's just a little bit deflated, enough that you can kind of like squish it and you can kind of like put your hand in a little bit, but most of the stuff's still there. So anyway, the next part I'm going to do at desk because I've got to work with my sewing machine. So yeah, let's move on to that. I'm going with yellow because it goes with the look that I'm going for, because it's a primary colour. This is like bright red, so it kind of goes. So anyway, first you want to start by getting your lining material, and you're going to want this to be a little bit bigger than this. And mine's a lot bigger actually. I think I should cut it down a little. See, it's folded like this, and you're just going to sew around from here down across and then here down. So you've sewn two L shapes with leaving a gap in the middle so you can open, like, put things inside. That's where we're going to attach the zip. You just want to like sew a zigzag around both edges so that they stay closed. So then it should look something like this, and mine's really messy because I don't really care. But yeah, as with normal sewing, you don't have to tear this inside out because obviously the inside is going to be the bit that you see when you look inside the bag. Nobody's going to see this rough stitching and whatever. So, and then you want to stuff it inside the hole so that the opening lines up with the opening here. So yeah, let's just, and I would just put it down the side to make it easier, down one side. So then you've got this. Then you want to fold over the edge on the inside slightly so that you have like a rough edge folded outwards. And then you want to line that up with the edge, folded edge of the toy. And then you're going to get your zipper and you're going to put that in the middle of both of those. So you see like a folded edge. I don't know, it's difficult to explain. Change of plans. Basically, I can't actually fit this underneath my sewing machine because of the head. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to hand sew it very carefully, which is probably actually easier. It's just a lot more time consuming. So yeah, I'm just going to sew along here and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and then I'll be back. So now you want to get your bag strap, and I've got one that has an adjustable thingy because I'm gonna make this into a shoulder bag. But anyway, so you just want to sew the bottom end of your strap to Po's little booty. So I'm just gonna get right to it. Sorry Po, this is gonna hurt a little. Now with the other end of the strap, what you want to do is you just want to stick this through the loop at the top and then fold it backwards, and then we're just going to sew over this area, making sure to fasten it so you have a loop, and yeah, the loops are like intertwined. And hopefully this part you can do on a sewing machine. So that took quite a while, and I think, actually no, it wasn't too bad. I think I only spent about an hour doing that, and considering I was also filming it. But here we go. Po is very...
Oh my god.
You can wear her as a crossbody bag, you can wear her as a little backpack, chuck it over your shoulder, you know. This would be perfect for any weirdo who likes to wear random stuff just like me, and yeah, you know, 90s nostalgia in that. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and if you try and do this yourself, please like, post on Instagram, tag me, everything's in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye.